We have another question from the model question paper, that is, in the previous video I have explained about the 2B question. Develop a Python program to print all the numbers from 1 to 100 that are divisible by 3 or 5 but not both. We have seen how can we use for loop to print all the numbers, and with just one if statement we can just print those output. And the C question is what is meant by function composition. This it's there already in the book, so we'll directly move on to 3A from the module 2. It's about the string operations in Python for slicing, concatenation, repetition and comparison with suitable examples. So we have string operations in Python for slicing. Slicing means removing the part of the string, and concatenation means addition of the string just by using one operator. Repeat plus operator. Repetition means a word or an alphabet can be repeated, a string can be repeated multiple number of times just by using multiplication. And comparison is just by using. So we'll go for the 3B question, that is about define a list. How is it different from an array? Develop a Python statement to access the third element of a list. We don't have any problematic statement here. It's a simple thing. If we have the given list, that is nums equals to 3, 6, 9, 12, and if they have been asked to access the third element, means what will be the starting index of the list, that is 0, 1 and 2. It means if we want to access the third element, that is 9, from the nums list, what we can do, nums of 2 we can write. We just can write nums of 2 and it will be printed. So we don't have anything complex there, and we'll directly move on to 3C question, that is bit complicated, not complicated, but it has a problematic solution. So we'll go with that. Develop a program to count the number of words in a given line of text. We can solve this with manual method. We will just go with the built-in functions. They have been asked to count the number of words in a given line of text. Given line of text means we have two options. One is to save the string with the variable, or to take the input from the user. We can take the input from the user just by typing text is a variable name to use to take the input from the user, and we just have to enter a line of text. We can include anything here so that he will know what to enter. Then those text what he has entered, it will be like we will store that text.split. Split is a method which will split text into words. Wherever it will check for spaces, wherever he looks or he found the space, he will just mark that as a proper word and he will split and give two words. So it will convert. Words is a list of all the words used by or generated by split method. Then we have count equals to len of words. Here we are like almost done with the solution, and then we just have to print number of words. That is done. We just have to include the value what we have used. So what we have done here, we have taken the input from the user and he will give the input, and that will be saved to text. And here we have used one split method which will split each word just by looking at the spaces, and that will be stored to words. If you want to check, words is a list of all the words splitted by using split method. Then we just have to find how many words we have collected from that input just by using len. Len is a built-in function which will just give you the count of all the words, and that will be stored to count, and we are here printing number of words, that is the count. So after running the program, he will ask to enter the line of text. Python is very easy. So Python is, this is what the output for what we have given here, the words is a list. I said as I said previously, words is a list. That list was created by using split method, and then number of words is, you can see here clearly, it is 4. So that was done by using len keyword. In the next video we'll just move on to the next question, that is from the module 2. Yeah, we'll see what we can do in the next video.